Hello everyone. Today we're just going to show you how to do a basic install of UsersWP and then show you some basic things about it. First thing you want to do is go to the plugins menu, add new, and then just search for UsersWP and install now. UsersWP version 1.2 plus has some new features in it that we'll quickly go over once we've installed this. Just activate it. That's basically an install. We do most things automatically for you, but we'll go over what you would do after that. As you can see, all the kind of pages are all set up. They've all have the required information in them. But you'll probably want some menu items for logging in and out, though you can use the login widget. Let's just create a new menu. We're going to want that in the primary menu. We add our own endpoints here, so this is for the user directory. This is items that will show when you're logged in. We'll just add them all. And these are items that will show when you're logged out. So if I save that, you'll see if I go to the front of the site that we have these items. Or we might want to adjust them, so we could have the profile and make the account, change password and log out sub items. I might want to do the same for login and register. So now we have the users directory, the profile with the sub items here. And if we quickly log out, a new feature of the 1.2 is a login lightbox and also registration lightbox. You can deactivate that if you don't like it, but you always have that option here, or create account. It'll show you a warning if you don't have user registration enabled in your settings, but we just want to log back in. And if we go to our own profile, this is the standard profile. It will show you the users' posts, their comments. You can have it in different layouts. You can edit your account information here, and you can add a profile image or your banner image, which we'll add a new banner. Once that's uploaded, you'll be able to crop it. You can drag this around, expand it, and place it where you want. Maybe there. Simply click apply. And then you've got your new banner image here. Now, this page has a sidebar. Most themes you'll be able to just edit the page and take away the sidebar. So if we go to default layout, let's go to custom, full width, update, go back to the front end, go to our profile, and there we have that looks a bit better like that. And let's add a custom field here. So if we go to UsersWP form builder, we have some predefined fields here, but you can always create your own from these standard fields. So maybe we want to add a Facebook and maybe a Twitter input. Then if we go back to the front end, go to our profile, or we can go direct to the account page here, and we'll be able to edit these settings. So let's fill out a few of these. And for a Facebook URL, I'm just going to paste in any URL just so the information will show up. and go back to our profile, and we'll see the Facebook and Twitter URLs show up here. You can do the same with Instagram, lots of different social profiles. And this is the edit account button for your account as well, in case you don't want to add it direct to the menu. And if we want to add more tabs in here, let's go back to the back end, form builder, and profile tabs. This is new in version 1.2. Before you were just it was just a select input, but now you can drag and drop. So maybe you want to have comments first. This more info, we can change this to about me. Now this more info section lets you quickly add new fields. So if we go to the account and say we wanted to add in our bio into that, we could just add it to the more info tab, save, and our profile would have an about me tab here. Bio, this is a test. And with different add-ons, you'll see more items you can add here, or you can add in any sort of shortcode from a custom plugin or your own information there, maybe a booking, a contact form, anything like that. And it would all show up here. So we could drag this above and it would have about me first, then we could have posts. If we go back to the site, then I'll show that first. And I think that's it for our basic install video. Good luck and enjoy.